Today we talk about how can you find mutual recommendation on your Medium app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on your profile down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on account. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just switching to open video, you go down here. Then you click here on muted or it's in publication here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on muted. Then here you will find all muted recommendations in this list. So I have nothing, but if you have it, can you find it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.